Many people assume that all vegetables are inherently healthy, but the truth is that certain vegetables can actually contribute to cancer cell growth and cause significant damage to the body. While vegetables are packed with essential nutrients, some contain harmful compounds that may feed cancer cells rather than help prevent them. One of the biggest culprits is nightshade vegetables, which include tomatoes, potatoes, eggplants, and peppers. These vegetables contain a natural chemical called solanine, which in high amounts can be toxic and may contribute to inflammation, a known factor in cancer progression. Chronic inflammation creates an environment where cancer cells can thrive, leading to uncontrolled growth and metastasis. Additionally, nightshades contain lectins, which can damage the gut lining, leading to leaky gut syndrome. This condition allows toxins and undigested food particles to enter the bloodstream, triggering an immune response that can promote chronic inflammation and cancer cell survival. Another group of vegetables that may contribute to cancer are high-oxalate vegetables, such as spinach, beets, Swiss chard, and rhubarb. Oxalates are naturally occurring compounds that can bind to calcium and form kidney stones, but they can also contribute to oxidative stress and damage to cells, increasing the risk of mutations that may lead to cancer. Excess oxalates can also interfere with the body's ability to absorb essential minerals like magnesium and iron, leading to deficiencies that weaken the immune system and make the body more vulnerable to cancerous growths. Additionally, certain cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and kale contain goitrogens, which can disrupt thyroid function and lead to an imbalance in hormones. Since many cancers, especially breast and prostate cancers, are hormone-driven, an imbalanced endocrine system can fuel their growth. While cruciferous vegetables are often praised for their anti-cancer properties due to their high levels of sulforaphane, excessive consumption, especially in raw form, can have the opposite effect by impairing the thyroid, leading to metabolic issues that weaken the body's ability to fight off disease. Moreover, genetically modified vegetables such as corn and soy are heavily sprayed with glyphosate, a herbicide that has been classified as a probable human carcinogen by the World Health Organization. Glyphosate disrupts the gut microbiome, damages DNA, and promotes tumor formation. Many GMO vegetables also contain altered proteins that the body may recognize as foreign, leading to chronic inflammation and an increased risk of cancer development. Another concerning category is mold-contaminated vegetables, particularly those stored for long periods in damp conditions, such as peanuts, corn, and grains. Foods are prone to aflatoxin contamination, a potent carcinogen linked to liver cancer. Mycotoxins, produced by mold, are known to suppress the immune system and cause DNA mutations that lead to uncontrolled cell growth. Furthermore, starchy vegetables, like white potatoes and corn, are high in acrylamines, which form when these foods are cooked at high temperatures such as frying or baking. Acrylamides are known carcinogens that have been linked to several types of cancer, including ovarian, kidney, and pancreatic cancers. Deep-fried starchy vegetables, such as French fries and potato chips, pose an even greater risk due to the combination of acrylamides and trans fats, which create a toxic cocktail that promotes oxidative stress and cellular damage. Another overlooked danger is vegetables grown in contaminated soil, which can absorb heavy metals like arsenic, lead, and cadmium. These metals accumulate in the body over time, leading to DNA damage and an increased cancer risk. Root vegetables like carrots, beets, and potatoes are particularly susceptible since they grow underground, where they can absorb toxins from pesticides and industrial runoff. To make matters worse, pesticide-laden vegetables expose consumers to endocrine disruptors that mimic estrogen in the body, leading to an increased risk of hormone-related cancers such as breast, ovarian, and prostate cancer. Even seemingly healthy vegetables like cabbage and bok choy can pose risks if consumed in excessive amounts due to their ability to suppress iodine absorption, leading to hypothyroidism, a condition that has been linked to increased cancer risk. Additionally, fermented vegetables, such as kimchi and pickles, may contain high levels of nitrates and nitrites, which can convert into carcinogenic nitrosamines in the body, particularly when consumed in large amounts. These compounds have been associated with an increased risk of stomach and colorectal cancers. While not all vegetables are harmful, it's crucial to be aware of their potential risks and consume them in moderation. Opting for organic, non-GMO, and pesticide-free vegetables can significantly reduce exposure to harmful substances. Proper preparation, such as soaking, cooking, and fermenting vegetables correctly, can also help mitigate their negative effects. In conclusion, while vegetables are a vital part of a healthy diet, not all of them are as beneficial as they seem. Some vegetables, due to their natural compounds, growing conditions, or processing methods, may contribute to cancer cell survival and overall bodily harm. Being mindful of the types and amounts of vegetables consumed, along with how they are prepared, can make a significant difference in reducing cancer risk and promoting long-term health. Always prioritize variety, moderation, and organic options whenever possible to minimize exposure to harmful substances that could feed cancer cells and cause damage to your body.